This is the Beaver Washboy with unique spiral wash roller system. It's a very durable product and our customers love it because of the unique spiral wash system, which not only is more efficient at draining the water from the sponge, but also because of the spiral design, it also drains the water straight back into the bucket instead of dispersing it along the rollers out to the edges of your bucket. It's also got wheels with brakes which provide you with much more stability as you work. This is available as part of a kit which includes a grout float, a white scouring pad and a hydro sponge, and these are available in packs of 5 or individually from your local stockist.